Hello. Hello, hello. Nom, nom, nom. Hello, 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 hello. Nom, 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 nom. What'd she do?
She just picks up an egg and throws it in the bucket. Watch here.
Spin, Aubrey, spin.
You know, that's how you know if an egg is hard boiled or not.
What? Spinning it?
Spin it.